Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, David Roik. So today I want to take us through on a new service, new update I found on Fiverr that you can be able to sell on Fiverr, a service you can sell on Fiverr quickly. So this service is not rampant yet, and that are on this service are not much yet. So first time I checked the service, I noticed that only 20 people were on that particular service. So now presently when I checked it again, I saw that 60 people is on the service now. So which means this service is something you can be on the first page, and before the service goes to 1000 plus and other stuff, so then you can be able to sell is the service before a lot of people opt into the service. So now the service I will be introducing to you this time around is before I introduce this service to you, now first thing first, recently we have Twitter. Twitter was bought by Elon Musk. So in which Elon Musk renamed the account to X. So now the founder of Twitter before, so I forgot the name. Twitter founder. Let me just search it. Twitter, yeah, Twitter founder. So now the name of the first person that founded Twitter was before Elon, purchased the account. So I think it is Jack. So Jack is the owner of Twitter alias before uh, Jack sold Twitter to Elon recently. So X Twitter has been a service that has been rampant on Fiverr recently. So now because if you search for Twitter, you notice that we have Twitter service. Yes, so we have a lot of service on Twitter, a lot of sellers on selling Twitter services, either promotion, boosting profile, or any other thing. You can see that we have 3,000, and the more you're able to rank yourself high on Fiverr on first page, the more you'll be able to get your orders. So now recently there is a new app this guy created again, which is Jack created again. So he named the app Blue Sky. So you should have heard of it before. So Blue Sky founder is same. So you can see that who is Blue Sky founder. So Blue Sky founder is still same Jack Dorsey as well. Now this man as well since so far he has sold. So Blue Sky so they I think it came about the logo since December 2023, and also the app. You can find the app on the Play Store and Apple Store as well. So because people are opting onto this platform as well, people that don't want to use they don't like the interface of Twitter, or probably they because Elon bought it, they don't want to leverage with Elon or stuff like that. So as a new seller, as a freelancer, you have to opt in on this service. So Blue Sky is a new service, and people are opting onto this social media platform recently. So now if you come on Fiverr, if you search on Blue Sky on Fiverr, you can see that Blue Sky has only 61 results, which means just 61 people are selling this particular service presently. So if you search anybody, so now what you have to do is now is create a gig on Fiverr. So I've done a video on how to create gig on Fiverr for you to be able to create an optimized, well SEO optimized gig on Fiverr. I did a video, so you can see the video up here. On my screen, so you can see how you can be able to create a professional Fiverr gig, or even if you want to create a Fiverr account as well. So I did a video as well. You can see the video up here on my screen as well, displayed on my screen, on how to create a professional Fiverr account that will last long. So you can now the service you want to sell now is, because if you opt in on the service as early as possible, then you have the chance of getting a lot of order on this particular service. So there are a lot of keywords you can use with this Blue Sky. So you can I did a video on how to as well on how to search for Fiverr keywords that you can use on your gig that will help you to rank high on Fiverr. So there's a video on my screen as well that is displaying on how to get keywords that will rank your that will rank your gig high on Fiverr without doing anything, just staying online and the rest. That's what will help you on your video, on your gig, Fiverr gig. So now, if you search on this Blue Sky, you can see that a lot, just 61 people yet. So which means if you create your gig as early as possible, then you'll be able to get projects from different clients as early as possible, and you will as well be able to stay on the first page be able to stay on the first page. The earlier you opt in on the service, the better. So I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And also, if you have any question about this service, or you have any question about creating gig, or your Fiverr account, drop them in the comment section below and do let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.